Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, November the 2nd, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. Three puzzles are left, the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, the 4-star Sudoku. Number 7379. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4-stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. Alright. We have here 3 twos, 2 threes, 2 fours, 3 fives, 3 sixes, 4 sixes. Alright. 1 7, 3 eights, and 2 nines. So the ones and the sixes are in majority. Can I start with the 6 or the 1? 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column between. And only 2 place left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the second column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 in these 3 boxes. Here, 6 in the middle column. No 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. We have a 6 in the last row, 6 in that row, so the row between, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the second column, no 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. Okay, and all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. How about the 1 now? 1 1, 1, yeah, 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 1, okay. 1 1 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. How about the 8 in this column? 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this row. First row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, only place left for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. And 8 in this middle row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 8, 8, okay. Need 8 here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. 3, 3. Okay. 5. 5 in this row. 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. Okay. 4, 4, 4. Need a 4 here. 4 need a 4 there, and we have a 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 in these 3 boxes here, 4 in this row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. So now 9, 7. No, here. No, 9, no, here. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. 1. Those not missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this big square. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and 9 goes there. Can I continue with the 1? Yeah. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. Here, 1 in that row, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are not used. 1 in this column, last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Now I can recount, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Alright. 1 box left in this big square for the amount. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3. Need a 3 here. Yeah. Need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. Well, need a 3 here. Need a, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here, 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Shoot me down. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5. Okay, can I continue with the 5 now? Need to wait. Alright. Okay. 8 minutes already passed. 8 minutes already passed. Well, need to think. How about the 9? No. 4, 4. Need a 4 here then. Yeah. Need a 5 here. 5, 5, 5. Need a 5 here then. 1, 2, 3. 3 is missing. 7 and the 4. 3, 7, 4. Well, need a 3 in this column. Well, we have a 3 in this row. So no 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. Oh, 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 3 and 8. We have 3 and 8 in this row, so no 3 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. So what are the other 2 missing numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 7 should be there. One box left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2, 2. Okay. This is 3. 4, 3, and 5. No, 4, 3, and then 9. Need a 9 there. 3, 4, and 7. We have here 3 missing numbers. No. 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7. And look, we have 3 and a 4 in this column. No 3 and a 4 in this box. 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 7 then. 7. No 7 here. 7 should be here. No 4 here. No 4 here. 7, 4. Need a 5. 7, 4, 5. And no 9 here. 9, 9, 9. Thinking. How about the 2 then? 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the second column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. Well, need a 2 here. No 9. No 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here. This should be the 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the second column, so no 9 in this box. Here, 9 in the third row. No 9 in that box. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in the third row. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be here. So these 2 numbers should be the 4 and the 3. Okay, 4 and a 3. This should be the 9. Need a 2 here. And I need a 7 here. 9, 9, okay. Here can be 9. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 9. Well, we have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. So the 9 in this column could be here, could be there. We see another 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 9, 9, okay. Here should be also the 9. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be an 8, goes there. 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be in. 3 goes there. Need a 3 here. Need a 4 here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. So 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 4 and the 3, we have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the third row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. And the 4 in this row, the 4 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digital 3 number 4. Wait. 7 and the 5. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 5, 2 numbers. Oh, wait. 9 and 7. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9, yes. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Yeah, the same numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7. Yeah, also 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for number 2. 2 and 7. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7. 3 and 7. We have a 7 in this third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. How can that be? This one has 32 printed digits. This one has 24 and I'm faster than the previous Sudoku. Well, is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And we solve it again, And I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.